Jiang Su Jinghu 100,000 tons annual output straw wood pallet production line, located in Huai'an, China Canal capital. This complete biomass pallet project is specially designed by Shandong Wechat Machinery Company Limited for Jiangsu Huai'an Limin Environmental Protection Company Limited. This is the largest complete biomass pallet project in Asia area. Annual processing of 500,000 tons of waste straw, capacity 20 tons per hour biomass pallets, annual output of 100,000 tons pallets. The complete biomass pallet project finishes production and installation within 8 months' time. Adopts a full automatic computer control system, completely achieves environmental without any dust. It has a milestone significant among domestic competitors. This such a pallet line integrates all sections from raw materials to finished products, including chipping section, the first drying section, grinding section, the second drying section, storing materials section, palletizing section, cooling section, packing section, the whole dust removal section, and a computer control terminal system. Chipping section. This section mainly integrates the wood, board and other material crushing process. The mechanical gripper puts the wood on the buffer platform. Then the vibration conveyor sends it into the chipper machine, crushing into wood chips due to after searching and transport the material scattered at direction not seen. So for solve this problem, after platform chain conveyor and vibration conveyor, the material uniform, neat orderly get into the wood chipper for chipping. Make sure the machine have high capacity and efficiency. The first drying section. The raw material is passed into dryer by a belt conveyor and the buffer silo is for protecting the whole drying process work smoothly. The stove overheat by burning. Fan blower passes the heat wind to rotary dryer. The rotary dryer can adjust the rotary speed to control the flow and to transport speed of material. All of above parts guaranteed the final output capacity and drying effect of the rotary dryer. The dust material will be collected into double cyclone and put into a belt conveyor, then get into the buffer silo before crushing. Grinding section. First, the roller conveyor will convey out the dried wood chips from buffer silo to belt conveyor. Then wood chips will be conveyed by the belt conveyor into the double rotor hammer mill evenly. To be grinded there, then grinded powder moving to the cyclone. Dusting, material collection here. Then get into the buffer silo before the second drying system and dust enter into the backdust collector. The second drying section. The second drying system uses a 3-cylinder dryer to crush the fine powder material through the 3 rotary channels in the dryer, greatly increasing the contact time of the material with the hot air to improve the drying efficiency. The tail with the cyclone with the shower dust combined to eliminate the material with the hot air caused by pollution. 300 cubic meters silo storing materials section. After the second drying system, materials are transported to the 300 cubic meters large silo to store it by the belt conveyor and scroll conveyor, so that the drying materials transfer moisture to each other in the silo to ensure the unity of material moisture. There are 12 scrolls in the silo to ensure the mobility of material in the silo. In addition, volume of the silo can afford 8 hours of production materials to achieve the consistency of the entire production line. Pelletizing section. There were 6 such 220 kilowatt YGKJ850 vertical rain die wood pallet machine in pelletizing section. After some time's storage, the moisture of material in the material silo is evenly easy to formation. Then materials are conveyed to the separate silos by bucket elevator. Materials will be fed into wood pallet machine by frequency feeder. 220 kilowatt YGKJ850 vertical ring diode pallet machine. High efficiency, strong stability, low maintenance cost. It device highly independent, more reasonable program design, capacity, higher reliability. Pallet cooling section. After the pallet information, pallets produced by 3 sets of pallet machines drop on the flatbound conveyor. Then the big angle back conveyor transport pallet to the cooling silo for cooling. The counterflow circulating wind cooling wood pallet to room temperature. The cyclone collecting the dust. Ensure clean. There is a simple screener below the cooling silo. Screening cold wood pallet make pallet quality better, more standard. Packing section. Screened wood pallets are transported to the finished product silo by the big angle bout conveyor. The finished product is equipped with an automatic weighing of the tonnage scale, and the pallets are packed according to the set rate. And the nutback conveyor delivers the packaged pallet to the specified location. Dust collecting section. The whole line uses post dust collection and back dust collection. We use a big white pipe to collect all dust, which is produced in transport process into dust collection room, which protect the cleaning of all workshop. Electric control system. The overall electric control system using the combination of centralized control and distributed control, so that the centralized management of the whole production line running will be better. Distributed emergency control more timely. In addition, the production line using sub-chain control, each section is interrelated. Make a production line more continuity. Pallet machine use independent feeding detection system. Device more intelligent. Management more convenient.
我们2条生产线从试生产以来，我们山东玉关厂家呢，技术服务人员一直跟踪服务。这个3名工程师是专门进行技术指导，人员培训，这个安装调试。这个目前从试生产的情况来说，整条2条生产线生产试运行状况良好，设备运转正常，基本达到我们生产的预期效果。
Jiang Su Jinku 100,000 tons annual output store wood pallet production line is the crystallization of wisdom and a sweat of Shandong Wechat Machinery Company Limited, but also the witness of company's ability and quality. Shandong Wechat Machinery will continue to provide customers the perfect production equipment and solutions, adding strong power to biomass energy industry. Shandong Wechat Machinery, over the world, a blue sky.